In today's discussion, we will learn about the derivatives of the pharyngeal pouches. So let's move on to the first pharyngeal pouch. The first pharyngeal pouch, the derivatives are the middle ear cavity, the auditory tube, and the endodermal lining of the tympanic membrane. So these are the derivatives of the first pharyngeal pouch. Let's move on to the second pharyngeal pouch. The derivatives of the second pharyngeal pouch is only the palatine tonsil. Let's move on to the third pharyngeal pouch. The derivatives of the third pharyngeal pouch are inferior parathyroid gland and the thymus. These are the derivatives of the third pharyngeal pouch. Let's move on to the fourth pharyngeal pouch. The derivatives of the fourth pharyngeal pouch are the superior parathyroid gland, and another structure we have is the ultimo branchial body, which later on forms the parafollicular or the C cells of the thyroid gland. So these are the derivatives of the fourth pharyngeal pouches.